What's up guys, Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Berg Frost pocket knife. Let's begin. Okay, let's talk about this guy. This one's, I don't know what I got this from. I think it's actually from a bag lot filled with other pocket knives out there. So, okay, I got the location of Berg Frost, even the actual location out there. Got a little ring out there that contains basically a rounded ring out there. Yeah, it's like all connected out there. So, and the blade out there says USA. So let's talk about the size itself. Size-wise on the pocket knife would be around about almost to 1.5 inches. Meanwhile, for the handle and the whole thing would be around about 2.5 inches. That's not outside of the O-ring out there. The O-ring with a bunch of the other O-rings out there would be around about 5 inches. Would be around about 5 inches out there. Meanwhile, for the overall size, that's not containing the O-rings out there, would be around about 4 inches. Right, you can see, yeah, 4 inches. Meanwhile, for the O-rings, I know it's a pain out there. Let's see, how do I hold? I'm sorry, guys. I'm just okay. Yes, this would be around about 7 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results on this one is disappointed out there. Now, as you can definitely know, I'm gonna be honest here. This thing, I actually tried taking care of the water bottle out there, just trying to cut through it, because I feel like it just can't. Yeah, that's not right. So I'm giving the Berg Frost an astounding 3.2 out of 10. Unlike the tactical katana machete, which somehow it can poke through it, but this one, it's actually on the same level like the Maul katanas, believe it or not. It's bad. It's really bad. So that wraps up the Berg Frost folding knife. I'm Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.